Okay, good. Good to see everyone back to this lectures. So today we want to find the quotient, and this is the section focusing on this dividing fraction by fractions. So let's get on to this. We have a couple questions here, 1 to 10, and we'll go over one by one. And you can stop pause anywhere you want, and I could continue to explain the step by step for you guys. So number one, 1 over 4 divided by 9 over 10. So step one for this will be you can see this is divisions. So in order to swap it into the multiplications, you basically flip the numbers. So 9 will go to the underside, which is the denominators, and then 10 will go to the top side, which is numerators. So I'll put 10 and 9 here, and then we change this to multiply now. So and then now we can do a quick we need to cancel out number. Step 2 will be uh cancel out the common factors. So let's do it now. So you cancel 2 out on the top and you cancel 2 out on the bottom. So you got this. So now you use 1 times 5 and then 2 times 9. So you will got 5 over 18 for this answer. So first step, you flip the second fractions, and change to multiplications. And second step, you find the common factor. And third one, you multiply the top two numbers, and also separately multiply the bottom two numbers. Okay, so this is step by step. So let's do the next question. So number 2, 5 over 9 divided by 1 over 2. So now you have 5 over 9. So now first one, we need to flip the second fraction, and change to multiplication. So you have 5 here on the top, 9, put it down. And now you change this one to multiplication instead of the division here. And then you flip the two numbers here. So 1 go to the bottom and then 2 go to the top. And then second step, you will need to find the common factor, which is here, find the common factors. So there's no common factor for this. So third one, you multiply the top two numbers, 5 times 2 and 9 times 1. So you got 10 on the top and then 9 on the bottom. So this is good. Okay. Third one. Don't worry about the answers. If you couldn't see my number very well, I have the answer sheet on the back on the next slide, so you can use it for that. Okay, next one. So we got number 3, 1 over 3 divided by 6 over 9. So first one, we need to flip the second fraction and change to multiplications. So we put the 1 over 3 here, and then we change to multiplications, and then we flip the number, so 9 will to the top, and then 6 will to the bottoms. And then second step here, we found the common factors. So we look around, oh, this is maybe a 3 here on the top. We cancel 3 on the top, and then bottom one we also cancel 3. And we keep finding common factor 3 top, 3 bottoms. We cancel that one out as well. So now we only have 1/2, so 1/2 for this answer. Okay, good job, guys. If you don't get it, don't worry about that. You give multiple try and then you will get it. Okay, so next one, a over 10 divided by 2/5. This is question number 4. So first one, you put down the numbers, a/10, and then you flip the second fractions and change the change to multiplication from the divisions. So you put the multiply here, and then you put 5 to the top, and then 2 to the bottoms. Third step, second step, you find the common factors. We find it, so we know this is 4 and 5. And this is a 5, so we cancel that one out on the top and also the buttons. So also we find this is a 4, this is a 2, so we also cancel it out. So this correct answer is 2. So next question number 5, 3/8 divided by 7/8. So first step will be flip, change to multiplications, and then flip the second fractions. So 3/8, we put it down, and we change to multiplications, and we flip the numbers 8 to the top and 7 to the bottoms, and we found there's a common factor for 8. So we cancel that one top and bottoms, and then so only thing we left is 3/7. Good job, guys. If you get it, if you don't get it, don't worry about that. We still have several tries, and we can play around. Okay, number 6, 2/5 divided by 1/2. So first one, we put it on 2/5 here as the original one, and then times. So we change this one to multiplications from divisions, and then we flip the numbers on the second fractions, top to the bottom, bottom to the top. So 2 to the top, 1 to the bottom, and we check. We found a common factor. There's no common factor for this 2 and 5. So okay, we can pass that step. The third step will multiply the top two numbers and then separately multiple the top bottom two numbers. So 2 times 2, and we have 5. So 4 or 5 for this. Okay, next one. Good job, guys. Number 7, 5/10 divided by 6/12. So first one, we put down 5/10, the same, and then first step will be change to multiplications. We change to multiplication from the divisions, and 6/12, we flip it. So 12 to the top and 6 to the bottom. Okay, now we check if we have find common factors. So we have find, so 12 will be 6 times 2. So this is at 6. So this will be 2, and this will be cancel out. So we can see this 5, 2. 5 times 2 equals to 10. So we can cancel this 5 times 2 with the bottom one, 10. So which will give us 1 for this answer. Okay, next one. 7/11 divided by 1/6. So 7 over 11, and then let's put it on the same numbers, and then we change division to multiplications from this step one, and then you flip the numbers 6 to the top and 1 to the bottoms. And now second step, we'll find the common factors, 7, 11, 6, and 11. There's no common factors. So now third step, multiply the top two numbers. So 7 times 2. So 7 times 6 will give us 42. And 11 times 1 will give us 11. So this is the final answer. So this will equal to 42 over 11. Okay, next one. So number 9, 5 over 6 divided by 5 over 10. So we can put the same number here, 5 over 6. And first step, you can see, change to multiplications. So we change that one to multiplication from divisions. And then we flip the second fraction numbers. So 5 to the bottom, 10 to the top. Okay, so we notice 5, we cancel that one out. And then we find there's a common factor for 2 has common factor 2 for 10 and 6. So 2 times 5 will equals to 10. So we divide that one out and also divide that one out. So the answer for this will be 5 over 3. Don't worry about that. If you don't see my handwriting is a little bit messy, but I'll provide answer sheet for you on the with the documents so you can have a clear information. So number 10, 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 7. So again, 1 over 4, and then dividing, we change first step. We change to multiplications. And then 7 over 1 over 7, we change to 7 over 1, 7 to the top, and then 1 to the bottom. So that will give us 7 over 4. Okay, so this is about these lectures for fraction worksheet. Find the quotient, and this is division fractions by fractions. So basically, first one, you flip the second fraction and change to multiplications. Second one, you find the common factors, put in top and bottoms, which is the numerators and then denominators. Third step, multiply the top two numbers and then separately multiply the bottom two numbers, and then you make it the simplest form, and that should be it. So thank you so much for watching for these videos. I'll see you in next one. Bye.